Alright folks, well me and Jacqueline are just out for a wee late night stroll around Gstaad, and I have to say it's absolutely lovely at night. And watching other videos on YouTube, I only really saw it during the day I think. Did you see any videos at night?
No, I haven't.
It's not a day. I went on daytime, but here it is at night. I think it's absolutely lovely. So have a look and see. I'll take one day off and have a wee look about filming things and let you see what it's like. But there's some really nice shops, and it's really good. And I just have to say that the Grand Chalet in Gstaad, 10 out of 10 if you're watching. Lovely hotel, really enjoyed it. Haven't had any food yet, but I saw what the restaurant looked like, and it's absolutely lovely setting. So I've no doubt the food will be absolutely lovely, and I can't wait to try it. Can you, Jacqueline?
No.
I'd like to film us eating, but I think it's the kind of place I wouldn't feel comfortable filming myself eating in it. You know, it's not exactly a McDonald's or a KFC, but anyway, I'm going to show you a wee bit inside the shops here. Some of the alpine Swiss fashion. Don't know. I think I prefer a kilt, if I'm being honest. But it's just so lovely. The art gallery. They look like lightsabers, if you can see it. What do you think of it? This is where the ice rink is. See here at the winter, this is like the ice rink. And believe it or not, up there at the back, that's where they have beach volleyball. Yes. Beach volleyball in the middle of Switzerland. Here's another well-known shop, Dolce & Gabbana. You okay, Dalton? How do you feel about it so far for the wheelchair?
I didn't notice. Did you notice?
What?
The dots.
Aye.
I didn't the deep.
Aye.
I didn't see.
Aye. Well, I don't know, I think you need to go somewhere else, but what does have a wheelchair sign on it?
No, I think.
But that's just a universal, I don't know. Maybe there's a list somewhere, I don't know, we need to find out. Anyway, there's Dolce & Gabbana. Would you like me to buy something out of there, honey? Aye, cost an absolute ton of money. Tell it paid money for that. No. I've got my Guinness t-shirt on, that's as far as I go with fashion. Things like that. Oh, just got to show this. This is Charlie's Bar. I believe it's named after Charlie Chaplin. I could be wrong on that one. I'm pretty confident it is. The food in is supposed to be really good. Oh, and I think, is this what I think it is? I'm sure it is. This is a kind of supermarket, and it has a bottle of, is it cognac, I think? Is it still in the window? Let me see. I'm sure this is it. I'll know in a wee minute. I think they probably moved it. I see you see all the champagne, as you go in that door just on the right, the first thing it hits you is champagne, but they used to have a bottle of, I think it was cognac, and one bottle of it was a big bottle mind you, but still the big bottle of cognac, and I think it was about £90,000 it was worth. 90,000. I thought, oh, I found it. Sorry, I walked right by it. I thought it was like right in the window. Oh, it kind of is. I thought it was right up against it, but here it is here. You see that there? Way the 13th. £90,000 roughly, something like that. Unreal. Absolutely unreal. Mental how they can afford that. If I had that kind of money, I'd rather go and save some lives and spend it on food for starving people or something. Set up an orphanage, I don't know, anything. But as you walk about, it's just an absolutely lovely wee place to walk about. What do you think it's happening so far? It's nice. I'd love to come here in the winter. I think it'd be really, really good in the winter. Let's see what this is. I think this is a wee bakery or a sweet shop or something. That's a wee bakery, I think. Oh, I think I saw some one of the videos that says it was something to try. So, don't know, maybe I need to try that. Come on. It seems quite quiet just now, but up in the distance I can hear some noises and that, so I'm hoping I think that's the wee bar with there's a burger van next to it, so maybe go there, get something, we'll see. Certainly have a wee drink. You want a wee drink, Connor? Do you want a wee drink?
I don't hear him. What?
I think there's one up there, can I hear him? Right, we'll go up here and have a wee look and see. It's just a lovely place, it really is. I can't resist. I'm going to have a wee look at the prices for houses. There'll be estate agents here. £3,490,000. It's kind of jaw dropping if you look at that. How the 1% live. There's one that's been bought, but I can't see the price for it. It's just for Robin. It sounds like party time over here. Let's see this. Gstaad is beautiful. We're going to need to come back here. I saw this on one of the videos. Now I know where it is. We need to come back and we'll get a wee photo in front of that, the two of us. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? We've got a bar with some music. Don't know what the prices are like. I'm kind of scared to ask, to be honest. But that looks where it's all happening. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to go get something to eat, and oh, 1 second, I think I just found something of interest. It's a fan of Julie Andrews. I believe she donated this. Her and her husband, Blake Edwards. Blake Edwards, the director of the Pink Panther films, and it's a sitting duck, a gift for Gstaad, with love from Julie Andrews and Blake Edwards, June 2014. That's a lovely place. Well, I'm going to go now, so if you don't mind, please like, subscribe and share, and I look forward to sharing the rest of my adventures in Switzerland. Take care, thank you, bye bye.